Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the post and V's stitch pattern. You'll see that this pattern has beautiful ridges, but it is not reversible, so you'll only have this on one side of your work. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 4 plus 3. You will also need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do double crochets. So to get started, you want to start off by chaining 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, you are going to work your first double crochet. In the next stitch is a double crochet. And then we'll start working on our V stitch. So you're going to skip 1 stitch. And in the following stitch, you are going to work a double crochet, chain 1, and then work a double crochet in that same space. Next, you're going to skip the next stitch, and then following stitch, you're going to work 1 double crochet. So let's go ahead and do that V stitch again. You are going to skip 1 stitch, and then the following stitch, you are going to do a double crochet, followed by chaining 1, and working a double crochet in the same stitch. Then we will skip 1 chain, and then we will finish off by working 2 double crochets in the last 2 chains. And that finishes off row 1. So the repeat for this pattern is going to be rows 2 and 3. So to get started, we are going to chain 3. And we are going to work a double crochet in the first stitch. Next, we are going to do a back loop double crochet. So we got to find our loop. And how you do this is you want to have the post be in the back. So let's take a look at that again. It's inserting your hook through the front and then looping back to the back. So you have that post on the back part of the work, and then you just do a double crochet. Now in the V stitch from the previous row, in that chain 1 space, you're going to do your V stitch. So it's a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet, all in the chain 1 space from the previous row. Next, we are going to work a back post double crochet. Followed by working another V stitch in the chain 1 space from the previous row. So again, that is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Then we will do a back post double crochet. And then we will finish off by doing a double crochet in the last stitch. Now for this project, you always want to make sure that you start your work with a double crochet and you end your work with a double crochet. So now we're going to turn our work and we're going to work on row 3. We're going to start off again by chaining 3 and working a double crochet in the first stitch. Now we are going to do a front post double crochet. So you see how the post is in the front. Next, we will do our V stitch in the chain 1 space from the previous row, which is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all in the same chain 1 space, followed by a front post double crochet, and then a V stitch again in that chain 1 space. Followed by a front post double crochet, and finishing off with a double crochet in the last stitch. So you would again repeat rows 2 and 3 to get your desired size, and you can see how it starts having this beautiful post ridging on the front of your work. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.